Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on the Redstone Guide. Today we're going to be making a compact item sorter. Now this is pretty simple to build. I built it in my survival let's play series very recently and that will be airing I think just after this video, so be sure to check that out. And of course this is completely tileable. You can expand the chests going as far down as you want. Obviously if you build it higher up it works out a bit better. And let's see this in action. Obviously I've got a few blocks in there at the moment. I'm going to remove those from the end, but we put the white concrete in, and as you can see it will start to sort it, and it will go into here. Now if we remove all the white concrete for a sec and we throw something in like repeaters, as you can see there's no kind of chest labelled for them, and they'll pop out down the end here. So yeah, that's super awesome. But let's get into the build, as this doesn't take too much to do. Alright, so I think I would always start out the front, and I would get the chests in, and obviously we want double chests. If you maximise on the amount of space you can have to put the items in, I'm going to throw an anvil there, and I'll explain the reasoning for that in a sec. Now you only need one block this side of actual decoration, I would say, and I would say throw in a system like this, just because if you want to expand it down, you want to put hoppers in, not this block here, but this block in here. The reason for doing so is if you put blocks in here, as you can see over here, there's redstone torches, and if I put a hopper in here, it's going to power it on, and it will lock it, and no items will flow through it. So yeah, we're gonna throw hoppers in there. Probably best to have them facing the wall. And then if we place that there, and obviously we're going to have to sneak here so we can connect all the hoppers up, but these all need to be connected like so. And yeah, that's the basics of the hopper system on the go. I'm going to throw in a chest up here. If I come along here quickly and throw in that hopper there, just so you guys see the same as that. I would advise putting something like a water stream with like a bubble elevator going into that, just so it transports the items super fast. But yeah, that gets that into that. And then we're going to change to lime wool, just so you guys can see how the redstone is placed. Obviously different colours mean different blocks. I'm going to place that along here. We're taking the output from this via the comparator. It's going to we don't need one on the end, sorry, but yeah, it's going to take the output from all of that. Then you want to take two along, drop down one, and obviously continue that along, and that's just where all the redstone dust is going to go. You can just throw that on as easy as that. We're going to cut in one, and along here I'm going to have to break this block quickly. We're going to throw in some repeaters. You don't need any ticks, that's just going to take the power output from this block. And then we're going to jump up one again, and then we're going to take the signal from the redstone repeaters, and that's going to invert these, which will in essence stop powering and bits like that. So that's all of the redstone wired up. Obviously the more of these you want, you're going to have to expand this way, and you'll continue building these until obviously the last one, which you don't need one, as that's going to be like a miscellaneous chest. And yeah, obviously now I'm going to explain the reasoning for having the anvil. So what we need to do is take any block of your choice. I'm going to just take white concrete, and you can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it placeholder, just because that way if I have too many and I ever store them, I know what's the reason for having them. But yeah, we're going to go to this chest here, and all you need to do is put 4 in there, and then put any amount of a block that you want, as long as it's over 41, and that will filter into that one. Then we will take, and we'll try and keep the consistency the same, we'll take 64 of the lime wool like we did over there, then put in the placeholders again, and you just need to put 4 in every single time, and that will filter through quite nicely. Now if we go to the other side, you can start to see all of the items starting to filter through. chests will be done in a sec. And that's it basically. You can tidy things up slightly by let's not fall out the world. Oh, that could have been bad. Yeah. So if you want to grab something like an item frame, and then you can make it look a bit more lively, you know, throw in there bits like that. Then all you have to do to make sure it's working, make sure you don't put in like your placeholders, put in those, and you know, maybe move that to there, and maybe throw in a repeater. And, you know, you'll see all of these going up as they do, and you'll see that the repeater, which you haven't funneled for, has gone to there. So yeah guys, as I say, this is a super awesome, super compact item sorter. You can literally expand this however long you want. You know, you can go all the way out here, keep building, but yeah, I'm only going to show 3 because I think you guys will get the general gist of it. But that's the basics for the item sorter. As I say, if you want to expand it down, you can. If I expand this one down, you know, then you can see what I mean. If you put it into this block here, and then you grab yourself some chests, and then for your miscellaneous, should you ever get tons and tons of items, it completely fills up this chest, it will then go into this one, and therefore, you know, you can expand this down, have maybe like 10 chests. I think I have, in my world, I have 4 stacked on top of each other, and obviously that gives me, you know, ridiculous amounts of space. There's like, what, 9 times 6, that's like 54 stacks, times by 4 chests, that's like 216 stacks. It's unreal, you know, it's completely unnecessary, it's completely bonkers, and I absolutely love it. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.